Hey guys, it's me Jake from JakeMan21642. So it's about 10 degrees here in Richmond this morning, which is the coldest it has been all year. This is probably the coldest day so far. So I thought I would go ahead and do some cold starts for you guys. My dad's already left for work, as you can see. My school started 2 hours late, so I've got some time. They're saying it's 10 degrees on the news, so I'm going to start the Rabbit first since that has a temperature gauge in it. I can tell you how cold it is, so I'll start the Rabbit. I will do my car over there, the Tape Monster, and then I'll do the Beetle, which is around back. So let's go ahead and start with the Rabbit, which is what I have been driving since my car was in an accident last week. I just noticed these scrapes. I don't know where the hell that came from, but anyway. Feels like it's warmed up a little bit. They were saying 10 degrees on the news. 11 degrees, that's so much better. Do have heated seats in here. This is the 5-speed manual. Ooh, she's cold. As I mentioned, 5-speed manual. Very cold. That shifter, it's cold. Heated seats, heat, all that good stuff. And if this does cut out at any point, it's because my camera died, but I do have my iPhone to film with. And up front, we have a very chilly 2.5 liter, 5-cylinder. This has been such a great car to us. But as I mentioned, this is what I've been driving this week while my car's been in an accident. So I'll go ahead and shut it down. I'll be back out in about 45 minutes to drive her to school. And now for my 1994 Saturn SL2, which hasn't been started in about 2 days because I just haven't been driving it ever since this happened. But my fender from eBay gets here today, so hopefully it'll be fixed tomorrow or Thursday night. We'll see. Locks aren't frozen, that's a good thing. The door is a little. It's going to be interesting to see how it reacts after 2 days, because this is typically my daily driver. That seatbelt is cold, and also so is this air. Ooh. I've never heard this car that cold. As I mentioned, it's been sitting for about 2 days. Power steering is nice and whiny. And my seat has been moved because I guess my mom has been driving this car. 4-speed automatic. Never heard it do that before. That's interesting. But it is insanely cold compared to what it usually is here. As I mentioned, this is my 1994 SL2 Homecoming Edition. Got a little bit of a puff. And this is what happened last week. I do have a little update video on it, but basically someone's bumper and I met because they passed me as I was changing lanes and then hit their brakes, and I kind of just tapped them. But that'll all be fixed soon enough. I just haven't been driving it this week because my mom's been off work, so I've been able to take her car. And up under the hood, we have the 1.9 liter twin cam 4-cylinder. Always starts right up. This has been a fantastic, reliable car, and I've had it for almost a year now. Just go ahead and shut her down. And last but not least, I'll do my 1971 Volkswagen Beetle convertible. This car has not been driven in probably a week and a half because it needs a new clutch, and I was going to go ahead and get a new clutch. It's still drivable, but it slips sometimes when you're least expecting it. So I haven't really been daily driving it that much, but I will take it on little runs to the bank or to Panera or something. But I was going to get the clutch fixed yesterday. That was the plan, and then I got in the accident with the Saturn, so plans had to be put on hold, but she will be back on the road soon enough. And everything else otherwise runs fine. We'll go ahead and get inside. It's an absolute disaster inside just because I really haven't been driving it. And our carport is a disaster too because we've been cleaning out the garage and then the storm just knocked everything around. But we're normally not this white trash. We don't have crap everywhere. Anyway, Jesus, I am not used to cold like this. Prime it a few times. And I hope the battery has a charge. Ooh, that is one cold transmission. My God. Also, my radio is all weird. Strobing all slow. Whew, she's cold. And there you go. As I mentioned, it's a 4-speed manual. It's about to stall. Yeah. Considering the fact too, this car hasn't been started in about 2 weeks also. Yeah, she's just gonna stall. Let's have the optional Starbucks napkin on the floor. Oh. Alright, I'll give her one last try. This car is also well overdue for a tune-up, so that could be part of the fact. And my camera is also about to die. Yeah, this car needs some time to warm up, so I won't be able to do an engine shot. But, like I said, I'll have plenty of videos soon after she's back from the shop, which will probably be next week. My mom and I were talking about it last night. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I will give you a shot of the engine. This one does have the 1600cc boxer 4-cylinder. As you can see, one of my heater hoses has fallen off because the engine shakes so violently when it's cold. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. There'll be plenty more videos of all 3 of these cars. Thanks, guys.